Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to log into Gmail. So let's get started. At first let's get into Gmail app. Now enter your email address and click on next. Enter the password and click on next. Now we need to continue with the verification. We'll get a code and our phone number we are connected to that Gmail. So here's the code. Now agree the terms. So now we are in the Gmail interface. So this is all we need to do to log in to Gmail. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.